Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Many of you think that if you become garrulous and talk every day, talk too much, then you will be able to speak very good English one day. Wrong perception. It doesn't work like that. Some of you think that if you learn all the tenses, or most important grammar rules, then you will be able to speak very good English. Wrong perception. This is not the good idea. Some of you think that if you have good stock of words, if you have more vocabulary, then you will be able to speak better. No, wrong perception. Then how will you be able to speak in a better way? My answer to this is very simple. You need to learn and practice. Many people learn grammar and they try to make it difficult and then they learn it. No, use it as it is applied on spoken English. So at the time of talking, the kind of grammar you need to learn only that piece of grammar and practice that while talking with your friends and conversation. And the best way to have conversation is with those people who know a little bit better than you. So you will learn more. So only one piece, working on only one piece, like speaking a lot or learning a lot of grammar or memorizing a lot of vocabulary, this is not a good idea. Mixture of all of them and a little bit conversation every day will make you speak one day just like a pro. And one more thing. If you think that it can be done in one day or 1 month, then forget it. It's not possible to fix your English communication in one day or 1 month. You have to keep on working for a longer period of time and you need to have patience. And you will keep on growing day by day, a little bit every day. And this is how you can learn. And this is how everybody learns. And now I would like to tell you that the way people think that if I learn vocabulary, I'll be able to speak good English, or if I talk a lot, I'll be able to speak good English. It is just like, I would like to give you an example. If somebody thinks that if I want to make a building and I want to put only rods in that, only iron rods, because iron rods are very important. No doubt iron rods are important to build a building, but only iron rods, how the building would look, it would look very bad. Or only cement, or only chips, or only sand. No, you need all of them. A combination of all of them you would require to make a building. Similarly, if you want to grow in your language, a combination, a right combination, I must say, you would need for improving your English. For talking, because talking needs a lot of things. You need to make good sentences, you need to have good vocabulary, you need to learn idioms, you need to learn phrases, and also you need to sound more natural. And for that, you need to watch other people talking, or you need to participate in the talk. So hope it serves your need. That's all for today.